Let me go ahead and lay out the pieces. These pieces, they're relatively thin sheet metal pieces and they come stacked like this. You see, there's 2 pieces, there's actually 3 pieces right here. And as you see, there's a little bit dent from the shipment, but that's what you have to expect. Because this is very thin metal, you can get a little plier and straighten out these when you're installing it. So you will have to work the sheet metal a little bit. And it comes in very small boxes. So again, these are the pieces right here. You got another piece over here. So you can see that these are the pieces for the side right there. 4 of these, and this looks like the roof pieces right there. So again, thin sheet metal, but it will do the job. It will work. So we got this one right here, another one right here. So you can see these are the roof pieces right there. We got more pieces right here. And this one has, wow. You see you have 1, 2, you probably have 4 if I count it right. 4 of these pieces all nested together. So lots of pieces over here. So just put that there. So you can see there's a lot of pieces. So we have more pieces right here. This is the structural components that help put everything together. And they're kind of packaged really well right here. There we go. We also have 2 more pieces right here. Wow, there's a lot of pieces. So we just put this back here. Boom. They give you 2 pairs of gloves for 2 people to work together. But I have my own gloves right here. More members. So they're all labeled. See, that's M3. That's URA. You are a cool person. All right. And then we have this right here. What's in this box? All right, this one looks like, ooh, this one a little bit bented. So here we go. There's this right here. See, a little bit bent. We'll have to fix it out, but you have to expect that parts will be shipped and there will be little bends here and there. But I think these are the corner pieces of the roof. All right. So let me just put that over here. Corner piece for our roof. The one with the red wire, that is all of your bolts and hardware. So if you open up this, you'll see. So there is a lot of hardware. You can imagine you have the latch, you have some washers, some protection so that the screws that go in won't hurt you from the inside. You have some protection corner pieces. And let's see, the last thing right here, DH. DH is, oh, hinges. So these are your hinges right here. Oh, these are nice hinges, wow. Smooth. So you have your hinges right there. So a lot of pieces. This is for a 5x3 shed, and it's a metal shed with no floor. Keep in mind, it's no floor. So figure out your foundation first before you open up this and start working on it. Definitely want to open it and build it the same day. Otherwise, it's going to be out in the rain, the weather. It's probably not ideal. So once you open the box, be ready to install it. Should have 2 people. Should take you about 2 to 3 hours. So we're going to put this together. But yeah, so this is like a fun little project to do. A 5x3 metal shed right here.